for inviting us. We are very happy. So to our visitors tonight, we have their family and their children, their neighbors, her classmates in elementary school. We have there at the back, Ma'am Bernadette, Emily, and Richie. Of course, her circle of friends. Thank you so much for gracing this event on our birthday celebrant, Faye Alan. Okay, so before our dinner, let us hear birthday celebrant. May I call it first? Her cousin, Sir Marcelino.
Pumoy.
Give him a round of applause.
Upaw.